Categories like denim and lingerie often require grading that follows the angle of the piece, rather than a simple X and Y axis. To activate the angle grading tools, click Angle Grading. Now each point has its own X and Y axis. The short arrow represents the X axis, and the long arrow represents the Y axis. Change the angle manually, either by entering an angle in degrees, or by clicking the arrows. Or, snap the X-axis to follow the angle of either the previous or next point. The tangent tool angles the Y-axis perpendicular to the selected point. The rotate left and right tools rotate the axis 90 degrees. For this waistband piece, let's snap the X-axis to the next point, which is a 61-degree angle. Create a half-inch grade in Y, and the grade rule is applied following the shape of the waistband. Copy and paste the Y grading at the same 61-degree angle on the other waistband point. To deactivate the angle grading tools, click Angle Grading again.